One of you guys spotted me the other day. Lifted vans just look cool. They stand out. Thumbs up if you agree. 3-inch spacer lift, action van suspension, and Weldtech. So here they are, all next to each other. Happy Wednesday. So on Monday, I was headed to the gym. I was going around the corner and some guy on a bike started waving at me. I figure he thought I had a cool van, so I just nodded at him. I pull into the gym parking lot. I'm backing into a parking space and this guy on a bike follows me. So he goes, "John drives anything." So I started laughing and I said, "You got a van build going, man?" I figure he has a van build going since he recognized me. Most of you guys subscribe to my channel are here for the van stuff. And he says, "I'm Malinois dog training." I said, "Right on, man." So it's this guy right here. He spotted me and we go to the same gym. Right there, Malinois dog training. So this guy leaves me a comment like a couple weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago, letting me know he bought an action van suspension lift kit. 2 lifted vans, one on a Weldtech lift and one on an action van lift. Both have the same size tires. And he's getting it installed in his van. So Malinois dog training, man. I go to the gym before work every Monday and Friday, bench press with my friend. So when your van's done, man, bring your van to the gym so I could check it out, so we could share your van. That would be awesome, man. I love this stuff. So shout out to my gym here. Great gym. Shout out to Ultimate Fitness Center. Old school gym, like old school bodybuilding gym. They got the golden age of bodybuilding posters on the walls. The weights are metal, so when you're bench pressing, it's making that cool metal clanking sound, like the plates slap against each other. So yeah, man, bring your van when it's done, man. I would love to see it. Perfect timing when he spotted me, because after my Anza Borrego hangout with my friend Joshua in his Jeep, I uploaded a bunch of videos off-roading with my friend. And I got a new message on Instagram and another comment on YouTube asking me when the next lifted van meet is. Here's some lifted vans right here, 4 of them. Weldtech lift, action van, Weldtech. So the 2 action vans are in the middle. Hanging out at Slab City right now with a new friend, Enyaz, on YouTube from Arizona. Jose PhD 27. Known him for like 13 years. So it's cool to be out here with these guys. And yes, man, I gotta visit you in Arizona. We gotta do some kind of Arizona hangout someday. And as always, you don't need a lifted van to join me. You don't even need a van to join me. So yeah, March. I'm thinking around March. I'm not sure if it's gonna be beginning or the end of March, but definitely March. I want to do Anza Borrego again. I have it dialed in. I know a spot where we could camp 4 miles into the desert, and the first like 3-4 miles is not challenging at all, so a stock height van could go there. Even Flying J lifted van crew and a lowrider. What's going on with this lowrider here? Something special going on with this lowrider. Look at that fender and that roof there. Even something like lower, like a minivan, will be able to do the first 3 or 4 miles. Then after 3-4 miles, it gets more challenging. So if you want a bigger challenge, you just venture deeper into the desert. And if you have a lower vehicle, you could just U-turn, and I could show you how to get out of that trail. So I'm thinking March. Beginning or end, I haven't decided yet. I will let you guys know in the next couple of weeks. So Anza Borrego, I like that spot because most of you guys, even if you're like in the Los Angeles area, my friend Stefan is in Long Beach. He's only about 2 hours away. So it's a spot that's 2 hours away from a lot of you. Even my friends in Arizona, 3-4 hour drive. So I'm thinking October or September we'll do another meet like in the Redwood area for my friends more up north, like Unisol Battle Van. Let me give Unisol Battle Van a shout out here again. This is my buddy Unisol Battle Van on Instagram. You need to make more YouTube videos, buddy, once your van build's done. But I want to delay on the Redwood meet October, September of 2024. So Anza Borrego, March of 2024, and the Redwoods around September, October 2024. Flying J Lifted Van Crew. Today is October 6th. The official meet day is October 7, 8, and 9. So if you're thinking about it, show up. We're already having a good time here. This is Enyaz from Arizona. He was the first one to arrive. That's Sebastian's Life 91. That's my van. That's the Vanatic Kyle. And this is Will's van right here. He's gonna get influenced to lift his van next. Yeah, that gives people like building up their vans more time. So September, October, that's a while away. So hopefully a lot of you will have your van build done by then. But yeah, I want to do another one in March. I just want to get out there again. That's what I enjoy doing. So yeah, about to get food right now, headed to work. So the uploads are gonna be very infrequent in December. I'm gonna get a few more uploads up this month, and then the hours are really picking up. Unisol Battle Van. So with this whole gym thing, I actually have been wanting to do gym vlogs because I go to the gym every Monday and Friday before work, and I feel like that's what kept me strong. That's what I feel like makes me able to work 12 hours, and even on hour 11 I'm still as strong as hour 1. And it's all about the gym. Whatever I do at the gym is harder than anything I do at my job, and that keeps me strong at my job. So yeah, the hours are picking up. So the month of December and probably sometime next week I won't upload too much because I'm gonna be busy with work, and you know, that's why I keep the body strong. So you know, I could just like I said, I want to be strong in hour 11 as I am in hour 1 of my job. So yeah, me and my buddy, we bench press every Monday and Friday, and I've been talking to Unisol Battle Van about this. I want to start a podcast with them about lifted vans, the gym, learning skills in life, getting out. So yeah, lots of plans for this channel. Lots of I might share some footage later, but I wanted to do a vlog on anyone who's a manual labor job like me. And that's why I give the recommendations that I do. That's why, you know, I gave the heads up about Action Van suspension, because I know a lot of you are blue collar like me, and every penny matters. And that's why I gave product awareness to Action Van suspension, because it is a cheaper product than Weldtech, every bit as good. And I see it. You know, when I was saving for my lift kit, I didn't know if I was gonna go Action Van or Camberg or Weldtech. But man, I had to save money for a year. And when I was doing research on Weldtech, I would see my friends in the comments saying, I would love a Weldtech lift, but I can't afford it. You know, I wish I could afford one. You know, like I said, I saved up for a year to get my Weldtech lift. And then when I got the Weldtech lift, I felt like it wasn't the price. I felt like it wasn't the money over Action Van, you know. I didn't feel like it was a better product than Action Van. And I told myself, man, I should have got Action Van and saved a bunch of money. Then I started doing videos about that, and then Larry from Action Van Suspension, he saw my videos and we became friends. He thanked me for all my videos, giving his product some awareness, because Larry's not a social media guy. Weldtech, you know, they got it dialed in with the advertising, the promotion, the social media. So, you know, I just wanted to let you guys know there's another product out there that's cheaper than Weldtech and every bit as good. And I don't care if you guys get Weldtech, Action Van. If you guys could afford it, get a 4x4 conversion, get U-joint. I just want to see you guys lifted. I want to see you guys out there having a good time. And that's why I started these lifted van meets. I just want to see you guys out there having a good time. and whatever knowledge I'm gaining from this hobby, I want to share it with you guys. So yeah, lifted van meet March. I don't care if you're stock, I don't care if you show up in a Subaru Outback, a minivan, a Toyota Corolla. John drives anything. John just doesn't drive a lifted van. And you know, a lot of my friends have known me for 10 plus years now, and you guys don't drive a van, and that's why I opened up my meets for everyone. So there it is. This van got spotted, it got recognized going to the gym. Yeah, Malinois dog training, man. When your van's done, I would love to see it. Bring it to the gym every Monday and Friday. I'll be there. Let's check out your lift kit. What do you got here?
That's the 5-inch Baja grocery getter kit from Welltec.
And then
2012 Ford Econoline, 5.4 liter.
And then interesting choice in tires. I was looking at his tires. I was like, is that stock tires? But they're too tall because they're skinny but tall. So interesting choice. Why did you go with the 285?
235.
235.
235, 85, 16.
There you go. Yeah. Why did you go with this profile versus the?
I mean, it was recommended that size.
Okay.
With this lift.
So you said Welltec likes
smaller, skinny tire. They don't weigh as much.
Yeah, you said Welltec likes to, you went with this because Welltec likes to use it in RVs. You said.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why you went.
So I don't get really any rubbing.
Okay, yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah, like
I'm getting like 16 miles per gallon.
Did you go with the rear yet?
No
rear gear, 16 miles per hour. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
You know, stock rims and hubcaps.
Yeah. It's kind of like stealth, but it's like. It looks cool at the same time. It's like a cool looking stealth. Like it looks like a CIA van.